From virtual reality to augmented experiences, are you ready? Welcome to the XR Club, a video series brought to you by Miracles Innovation Labs.
Greetings. Welcome to the XR Club video series, brought to you by Miracle Innovation Labs. My name is Jared McKenzie, and I will be introducing you to LegoLens and mixed reality. In this video, I'll introduce the basic concepts of mixed reality and how it brings LegoLens to life. I will talk about the technology used to create mixed reality, and then I'll delve into the application itself. How is it used? Where can it be used? And what's next? Miracle Innovation Labs are researching everything from AI to XR. Welcome to the HoleLens. What is a HoleLens? The Microsoft HoleLens is the first self-contained holographic computer, enabling you to engage with your digital content and interact with holograms in the real world around you. HoleLens is a self-contained Windows 10 computer, so anything you can develop for a Windows 10's device is natively supported on HoleLens. It is a mixed reality device, meaning it doesn't just overlay data. It puts it in the real 3D space using a combination of spatial mapping and hardware sensors to determine your user's location and the world around you. The HoleLens uses a see-through plate that encompasses the user's vision, allowing them access to the real world and digital world all at once. Another feature of the HoleLens that puts it ahead of other hardware is that it's hands-free. The device can be operated entirely by voice commands or simply by using your finger to air tap. Having your hands free of a mouse and keyboard or a controller allows you to use this device in places others can't go. That being said, the HoleLens is also Bluetooth capable, so if you do need to use a keyboard or specialized controller, that is an option. How is the HoleLens being used today? It is being used by manufacturing companies to improve worker productivity and reduce costs by giving them access to real-time data anywhere they are. Since it's hands-free, workers can continue working while receiving data in real time. HoleLens is also being used to create meetings with the ability to collaborate with 3D digital content. This gives users the ability to work with one another no matter the distance, share and collaborate in real time anywhere. Have a client that can't make it to the office, bring your office to them. Showcase your product from where you are directly to them. What tools will you need to create in mixed reality? To start developing for mixed reality, you will need Unity 3D and Visual Studio at a minimum. If you are developing for a Microsoft device such as the HoleLens, then you'll find the mixed reality toolkit essential to developing advanced applications for these devices. If you have a different headset, such as the Magic Leap, then you'd get their SDK rather than Microsoft's. Once you have determined the tools you will need, it is easy to get started in development. I will just be covering the HoleLens development stack here. In order to deploy and test, you will need a device. However, you can still test if you do not have a device by using the provided simulator from Microsoft. The simulator represents a real simulation of the HoleLens OS. It gives you access to gesture controls like the air tap and bloom, and also voice controls. You can also control simulated headset movement and location from within the simulator. Another option is to test right in the Unity editor. This does not represent a simulation of the HoleLens OS, but it will give you a rough idea of the application and building process. The main advantage of using the Unity editor is being able to quickly test your code rather than the lengthy build and deploy process it takes to deploy to the device or the simulator. In the editor, you will still have the ability to interact with the 3D content via voice and gesture controls, as well as the location of the headset. Now, I will introduce you to LegoLens. LegoLens is an application built for HoleLens with the intention of creating a building application that can be used by anyone. In the LegoLens app, the user has access to a variety of different building bricks that come in different shapes and sizes. There are dozens of colors to choose from, including solid and transparent themes. The user has access to building instructions that can be used with real bricks or digital ones. The user can build freely to your imagination or follow instructions. Once you have completed your work, you can save it and share it. LegoLens is quick to learn. From the start of the application, simply tap the brick you want to place and look at your environment. Tap again to place it. Then continue tapping to place more. Choose a different brick and build to your liking. Want a new color? Simply open the Color tab and select that color, and you'll get the paintbrush tool, allowing you to color bricks as you see fit. If you want to lock certain bricks in place so you don't pick them up or change the color by mistake, simply gaze at the brick and then tap and hold for 2 seconds. The cursor will show a lock symbol. This is helpful for large base plates or if you simply don't want to accidentally move or change something that you built. Simply tap again and hold to unlock the brick. Access 3D instructions to learn new builds. Then build the project yourself with either digital bricks or real ones, if you have them available. View the instructions step by step, or even go back a step if you make a mistake. The instructions are 3-dimensional, so they sit right on your table with you. You can resize, rotate, and move them however you like to get the best view. And if you need more instructions, downloads are coming soon. What are the use cases for LegoLens? LegoLens lets you build with only bricks, but you can replace those bricks with anything. Perhaps walls and floors could be used to build houses or other architecture. You could then upload the designs directly to CAD or BIM. Design to scale. Imagine being able to design your building while standing inside of the life-size scale 3D model of it, all the while collaborating and sharing with others to enhance the design. In manufacturing, the floor manager could design layouts for your workspace to enhance the productivity of their company. They could include the safety zones and real-time data visualizations while they're designing in order to ensure a safe and efficient workspace. Or give children and long-term care entertainment and access to building toys. Enhance recovery by providing stimulating activities for patients. Hands-free access gives impaired patients a way to interact with others. Creating a shared experience will allow patients to interact with other patients or loved ones in a new way. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.
Thanks for joining the XR Club, a video series brought to you by Miracles Innovation Labs.